I have thought. So what I'm going to do, I had to yank, there was this memory expansion, as I don't want to drop things. Okay, so here is a memory expansion thing, which I think all by itself, it just adds memory. But then just to complicate matters, there's a switch, which I just soldered back together. And, my golly. And then there's this little board that goes up to, well, the, what is it? The Gary chip goes in it. And why, I don't know, it has nice pins though. It's got, like, I would call them a shark tooth socket. That's not the right name. But it's got really nice pins. And it's got RAM, and the RAM seems to work. But what does this board do? I don't know. But I'm not going to take the chip that's in it out of it at the moment. What I'm going to do, just as I was, going to be testing things anyway, or trying to, is look, I have the Amiga 500 that I was tinkering with before. And it would not come up. Now, I reset the chips. I did all kinds of magical things. It still did nothing. So, do I know what's wrong? No. Could it be the Gary chip? Sure. But, so right now, I have removed Gary. And the chips, the pins are good, the witness mark is good. So I'm going to put this Gary into this board. Now, this fired up just fine with that extra memory. And that funny Gary thing. And right now, look, it comes back up. So that means I have some confidence. Figuring out how to put the disc in. Hello. What's going on here? I have some level of confidence to say that the Gary chip is not the problem with this board. And this is firing up. So, but what is this thing? I don't know. It does have, I said it has an evil battery. Maybe this gives the Gary chip access to more memory. On here there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. Typical RAM chip sort of stuff. I am thinking, as I do from time to time, that maybe once this fires up, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, so this fired up. Good. I'm going to turn it off. I really don't want to do any harm to it. I'm going to take this little door. I'm going to plug this down here. And yes. I'm going to heat up this soldering iron. Now, here's the question. This is the first opportunity I've really had to do this from the bottom of the board rather than the top. Now, it will not be ready yet. And the battery, it will get hot. But maybe, because I can, I'll try to extract this. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's one done. And I think this one only has one other place. Wow. It's magic. Alright. Come on. Oh no. Well, I had the iron sitting inside a box, which is probably not the best thing, but the tip never touches. Anyway, here is another offensive Amiga killing battery. So, it's out. So, I feel good about that. What does this do still? I have no clue. Research required. I will put it over here. By the way, if anybody knows what that little thing does, let me know. Okay. So, what do we know? Well, we know that I have done no harm. I have taken out yet another memory expansion thing, and I have swapped a chip. So, I am feeling that, well, maybe there's more chip swapping to do. By the way, before I do anything of that nature, keep in mind there is on here the Fat Agnes chip, and it's square. And I remember they used to give us this funny little tool to yank them out, and inevitably, it was just horrid. I'm not sure the right way to take such a thing out. I'm tempted to take my trusty screwdriver and gently pry. But I'm going to think about this. Yes, indeed. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some more chip swapping on this and see if I can figure out if I do indeed have a bad chip in the other Amiga. Yes, that's what I think I will do. In a moment, I shall return, and we will switch more chips. And really, if anybody has any clue what that funny little RAM thing is that goes to the Gary chip, do write to me, please. Huh? Please. Bye for now.